How to connect GoDaddy domain to Squarespace. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect GoDaddy domain to Squarespace. Let's get started. First, log into your Squarespace account, then go to Settings. On the left-hand side menu, click on Domains and Email. Click Domains. Now, you will see two options. Choose Use a domain I own, then type in your GoDaddy domain name and click the arrow to proceed. On the next screen, click Connect Domain, then click Get Started. Now, let's switch over to your GoDaddy account. Log in, go to Domains, choose the domain you want to connect to Squarespace, then click on DNS for that domain. After that, click the Name Servers section and click Change Name Servers. Then, go back to Squarespace and click Next. Squarespace will now show you the name servers you need to use. Copy the name server 1 and 2, switch back to GoDaddy, and paste it into the box. Once both name servers are added, click Save. After saving, you may be prompted to verify the changes. Click Continue and Verify. Check your email for the verification code, paste it into the box, and click Verify. Once verified, go back to your Squarespace tab and click Finish. You will now see a confirmation that the domain connection is in progress, but it might take up to 24 hours to finish the connection. Click Done, and you will see a message confirming that the domain is being connected. You can now type your domain into the browser, and after a short wait, it should bring up your Squarespace site. And that's it. You have successfully connected your GoDaddy domain to your Squarespace website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.